Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create Dino AI with policy gradient method. First, let me explain what is reinforcement learning. Well, in short, it is one of the branches of machine learning that concern on training agent to get better in some of the simulation. We have two main components of reinforcement learning, the agent and the environment. Our agent will perform an action in the environment, and the environment will respond by giving the state and rewards. So the policy gradient here is just a function that maps states to action. The objective is to find the best action given the state by optimizing the policy function. The optimization goals is to maximize the log of probabilities times the expected returns. The expected return here is the discounted version of the future rewards. Thus, our agent would likely to seek for the immediate reward rather than high future rewards. The source of the game is from YU Dino Runner game in GitHub. Link is in the description. What I do here is to take a peek on the variables to get the data for training. The setup here is we're gonna use 5 state values: Y position, distance, speed, width, and vertical gap. Then, the states is printed with console.log function and shown in the WebDriver. Then, we can fetch the log message with Python. Pretty easy, right? The rewards design here is momentous. It is one that will guide our agent to find the best action given the state. Here, I give incremental rewards for distance travel because I want the Dino agent to go further, and negative rewards for bumping the obstacle because I don't want the Dino agent to touch the cactus and pterodactyl. As you can see, the code source is in my GitHub, link is also in the description. Now, let's see the training of the Dino AI.